New York City. A place where dreams are made and the skyline tells 1,000 stories. The city that never sleeps, always alive with energy and excitement. On July 4th, the city stays awake to watch the Macy's 4th of July fireworks spectacular, a tradition that has been lighting up the skies for decades. This is one of the largest fireworks displays in the world, drawing spectators from near and far. The show takes place over the East River, a perfect backdrop for such a grand display. It features more than 40,000 fireworks, each one adding to the splendor of the night. The fireworks are launched from barges on the river, creating a unique and mesmerizing spectacle. They create a dazzling display of color and light, painting the sky with brilliant hues. The show is synchronized to music, adding a rhythmic and emotional layer to the visual feast. This creates a truly immersive experience, where every burst of light is perfectly timed to the melody. Millions of people come from all over to watch the show, filling the streets and parks with eager faces. The fireworks are reflected in the East River, doubling the beauty and creating a mirror of light. This creates a magical effect, as if the river itself is celebrating. The Empire State Building is lit up in red, white and blue, standing tall and proud amidst the celebration. This adds to the festive atmosphere, making the entire city feel like one big celebration of freedom and unity. The joy and excitement are palpable as people cheer and clap, united in their celebration of Independence Day. Families and friends gather on rooftops and along the riverbank, sharing this special moment together. As the final burst of fireworks lights up the sky, the crowd erupts in applause, marking the end of another unforgettable 4th of July in New York City. Washington, D.C., the nation's capital. On July 4th, the city celebrates Independence Day with the National Mall fireworks display. The show takes place on the National Mall. This is a large grassy area in the heart of the city. The fireworks are launched from the reflecting pool. It is a long, narrow pool located in front of the Lincoln Memorial. The fireworks are reflected in the pool. This creates a stunning visual effect. The show is synchronized to patriotic music. This adds to the grandeur of the event. The fireworks light up the sky over the Washington Monument. They also illuminate the Lincoln Memorial and the Thomas Jefferson Memorial. Philadelphia Liberty lights up the sky. Philadelphia, the city of brotherly love. On July 4th, the city celebrates Independence Day with the Wawa Welcome America Festival. This is a multi-day event that culminates in a spectacular fireworks display over the Philadelphia Museum of Art. The fireworks are launched from barges on the Schuylkill River. They create a dazzling display of color and light. The show is synchronized to music performed by the Philly Pops. Millions of people gather along the Benjamin Franklin Parkway to watch the show. The fireworks are reflected in the Schuylkill River, creating a magical effect. The Philadelphia City Hall is lit up in red, white, and blue, adding to the festive atmosphere. San Francisco Golden Gate Fireworks Extravaganza. San Francisco, the Golden Gate City. On July 4th, the city celebrates Independence Day with a spectacular fireworks display over San Francisco Bay. The show is launched from barges positioned near Pier 39, an aquatic park. The fireworks paint the night sky with vibrant colors, reflecting off the bay's waters. The show is synchronized to a musical score broadcast on local radio stations, enhancing the immersive experience for spectators. Thousands gather along the waterfront. Popular viewing spots include Fisherman's Wharf, Crissy Field, and Treasure Island. The iconic Golden Gate Bridge provides a breathtaking backdrop, making for a truly unforgettable Independence Day celebration. Los Angeles, a galaxy of stars over Hollywood. Los Angeles, the city of angels. On July 4th, the city celebrates Independence Day with a star-studded fireworks extravaganza. One of the most popular shows is the Hollywood Bowl Fireworks Spectacular. The event features a concert by the Los Angeles Philharmonic, followed by a dazzling fireworks display over the Hollywood Hills. Another popular event is the Grand Park plus the Music Center's 4th of July block party, featuring live music, food, and a spectacular fireworks finale. Angelinos celebrate across the city, from the beaches of Santa Monica to the Rose Bowl in Pasadena. The fireworks paint the night sky, creating a magical spectacle that embodies the spirit of Hollywood. Las Vegas, the Strip explodes in neon and light. Las Vegas, the entertainment capital of the world. On July 4th, the Las Vegas Strip transforms into a pyrotechnic wonderland. Fireworks erupt from the rooftops of various casinos, creating a dazzling spectacle that illuminates the desert sky. The shows are synchronized to music and feature a variety of special effects. Some of the most popular fireworks displays take place at Caesar's Palace, the Bellagio, and the Venetian. Visitors from around the world gather to witness this unforgettable display of pyrotechnics. The combination of fireworks and the city's dazzling lights creates a sensory overload, unlike any other Independence Day celebration in the world. Chicago Navy Pier's dazzling display. Chicago, the Windy City. On July 4th, the city celebrates Independence Day with a spectacular fireworks display over Lake Michigan. The Navy Pier fireworks are a beloved tradition. They draw thousands of spectators to the waterfront. The fireworks are launched from barges on the lake. They create a dazzling display of color and light. The show is synchronized to music. This is broadcast on local radio stations. The fireworks are reflected in the waters of Lake Michigan. This creates a magical effect. The city's skyline, including the iconic John Hancock Center and Willis Tower, provides a stunning backdrop. This makes for a memorable Independence Day celebration. New Orleans fireworks on the Mississippi, a city known for its vibrant culture and rich history. New Orleans, the Big Easy, a place where every celebration is larger than life. On July 4th, the city celebrates Independence Day with a unique blend of music, food, and fireworks. The streets come alive with the sounds of jazz, the aroma of Creole cuisine, and the sight of dazzling fireworks. The Go Forth on the River celebration is a popular event. It draws locals and tourists alike, all eager to partake in the festivities. It features live music, food vendors, and a spectacular fireworks display over the Mississippi River. The event is a sensory feast, with each element adding to the overall experience. The fireworks are launched from barges on the river. This unique setup allows for a breathtaking display that can be seen from miles away. They illuminate the sky with vibrant colors. Each burst of light is a testament to the creativity and skill of the pyrotechnicians. This creates a festive atmosphere that reflects the city's unique culture. The blend of music, food, and fireworks is a perfect representation of New Orleans' spirit. The show is synchronized to a soundtrack of patriotic and New Orleans-style jazz music. The combination of sights and sounds creates an unforgettable experience. Spectators gather along the riverbanks. Families, friends, and visitors all come together to share in the joy of the celebration. They enjoy the festivities and watch the fireworks paint the night sky. The reflections on the water add an extra layer of beauty to the display. The celebration is a testament to the city's resilience and joie de vivre. It is a reminder of the strength and spirit of New Orleans, a city that knows how to celebrate life. Miami Tropical Fireworks Spectacular. Miami, the Magic City. On July 4th, the city celebrates Independence Day with a tropical twist. The fireworks displays along Miami Beach are legendary. They draw thousands of visitors and locals alike. The fireworks are launched from barges positioned off the coast. They illuminate the night sky with a kaleidoscope of colors. The reflections dance on the Atlantic Ocean waves. This creates a mesmerizing spectacle. The warm ocean breeze, the sound of the waves, and the vibrant fireworks create a sensory experience unique to Miami. The city's Latin American influence is evident in the music. The fireworks are often synchronized to a salsa or merengue beat. This adds to the festive atmosphere. The spirit of independence. Across the United States, fireworks illuminate the night sky on July 4th. They are a symbol of the nation's independence and the freedoms Americans hold dear. From the bustling metropolises to the quiet corners of the country, the spirit of unity and celebration shines brightly. Each city's fireworks display is unique. They reflect the local culture and traditions. The dazzling spectacle of fireworks serves as a reminder of the shared history and values that bind Americans together. As the fireworks fade and the night sky returns to darkness, the memory of the celebration lingers. This inspires a sense of hope and optimism for the future.